Hi, my name is Nick Karamanos. I head up our Mattel Creations team. So to my right here is two of our biggest collections and two of our most important exclusives this year at San Diego Comic-Con. First, our Back to the Future 40th anniversary. You see the DeLorean, that scene in the movie where we see the DeLorean come out for the first time, an iconic view, and it's an amazing product to celebrate an amazing movie. And then next to it, Hot Wheels is also done in celebration of the 50th anniversary of Jaws. You'll see here is coming out of the water, going after the boat, in that moment where they look at each other and say, we're gonna need a bigger boat, and they do need a bigger boat. And so two great movies, perfect moments to celebrate them with their 40th and 50th anniversaries respectively, all done by Hot Wheels in a very cool, awesome way. The product, the package, it's die cast, you feel it. It's gonna be something, a memorable experience for our fans and consumers to have, to keep, to look at, and to recreate those moments from those movies. So folks can come to our booth, San Diego Comic-Con, this weekend, and you can go to mattelcreations.com to also purchase it online. We are excited about these collaborations, and we are so excited about what's to come this year and into next year's Comic-Con.
Every year we come to Comic-Con with some fun, exciting things from Jurassic World. Of course, this year is Jurassic World Rebirth. So not only do we have dinosaurs straight out of the movie, but we have various dinosaurs that we've never showed before, like Comic-Con exclusives, and all the different things that we can do with this amazing property. Of course, over there, not just too far away from us, is our D-Rex. You can see D-Rex straight out of Rebirth. Working on Jurassic World is somewhat a dream come true, but if I could tell you a little bit about the first time I read Jurassic Park, I still remember where I was on vacation, and it's just such an incredible book that now my son, who's gonna be a freshman in high school, is actually reading it this summer. And it's just one of those, I think, rites of passage. Of course, the dinos are incredible. In Universal, no one launches a movie like they do, brings it together across their parks and everything. It's so much fun to be a part of this franchise. One of the best things about Comic-Con, of course, is we start here on Wednesday, but we drop new news throughout the week during panels. So stay tuned for more. We do have a Jurassic panel coming where we'll talk a little bit more about what's to come.